Welcome back to the classroom. In this lesson, we're going to talk about when computers keep getting loud and hot. This is another common real-world issue, especially on older or heavily used machines. A computer that runs hot and has loud fans is trying to tell you something. Now, loud fans by themselves do not automatically mean the system is broken. Fans are supposed to spin. Yes, sometimes they're loud, especially if you have 87 fans in your computer. But when the heat and noise become excessive, they often point toward a lot of other issues within the machine, like dust buildup, blocked airflow, just heavy processing load, neglected cleaning, or even a cooling system that's working harder than it should. And once heat becomes a big factor, performance will also suffer. Some of those performance issues may show up as, lag under load, the computer's just freezing or stuttering, louder fans, general sluggishness, and in more serious cases, shutdowns or instability. So this is another reason why good PC problem solving is not just software only thinking. Physical condition matters. A machine can feel slow because it's physically running too hot and it can't breathe. So when you hear a customer say it's loud, or it gets really hot, or it turns off after being on for a while, these are clues worth paying attention to. Some of your first thoughts need to be, hey, are these vents blocked? Is the system super dusty on the inside? Has it been a long time without cleaning? Is there actual airflow? Are the fans spinning? Is the fan behavior trying to compensate for the heat? Again, the lesson here is not that you instantly know the answer, is that you know the category of the issue that might be developing. And that's a big part of becoming a more confident repair tech. All right, your next action step after this lesson is to write down 3 signs that a hot, loud PC may have a cooling or airflow problem.